Hey, did you know AI just isn't for tech experts? You can actually make money with it. Here's how to get started. No coding needed. Tip number 1: Content creation. Use AI tools like ChatGPT for writing blogs, scripts, or social media posts. Businesses pay well for quality content. Tip number 2: Graphic design. Tools like Midjourney and DALL-E create stunning graphics in a second. You can sell designs on platforms like Fiverr or Etsy. Tip number 3: Online courses and ebooks. Share your knowledge. AI can help you outline and write educational content, then sell it on Udemy or Amazon Kindle. Tip number 4: Virtual assistants. Offer AI-powered customer support for scheduling services. With tools like ChatGPT, you can automate tasks and earn as a virtual assistant. AI is a goldmine for earning online. Which one you are trying first? Let us know and don't forget to follow for more updates.